Oh, this is the puppy's first experience of the outdoors. They're all there in their little pen and they're all excited. Oh, babies. Babies. Oh, who's that, Ruma? Oh, baby thugs.
There she is. Daisy, I'm going to find you then.
Cat, that one got his paws stuck.
Oh, somebody's got a huge fat belly. Somebody has fared extremely well. I think that's our lady. Is it you? Is this nice out here? Is it nice out here? And you're sitting, just keeping an eye out, you sweetheart.
Crows.
You're a good girl, Cruz. But they don't need your lunch, by the way, Cruiser. They've had their own. Wouldn't surprise me if she did. You hang on to your lunch, sweetheart. You're a good girl. Poop. You've got to change it off.
No. You left some. Don't by you.